If someone is listening knows that they may be aging solo, what do you think are the top maybe 2 or 3 steps that they should take right now to protect their future care and independence?
Well, first of all, bolster your social network. Reconnect with old friends, connect with new friends. You need to enlarge your social circle because that human connection, it reaps so many benefits, just emotionally and even physically from a health standpoint. So that would be number one, is to build that social network. And just the benefit of not feeling alone has such an immeasurable impact on people as they're aging.
Yeah.
The second thing I would say is get educated about your finances, especially if somebody else has been handling them, because you don't know what you don't know, and education is power, right? So sit down with that financial advisor, understand what you have. And then third, work with that financial advisor to develop a budget so that you know what you have to work with. You made a reference to this. It's what are those housing options going to be? What does moving possibly to be closer to one of your children look like? You know, in that situation, you may be trading one set of issues for another, but explore those options and look at what the cost would be of each of those options so you know realistically what you can do. I mean, it's great to have grand ideas of, I want to do this when I retire and that when I retire. But if you don't know what your basic financial picture is, you're going to be shooting blind and possibly creating an even worse financial situation for yourself.
Great tips, Lisa.